Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm back with another video to show you guys how to install your clip-ins like a pro. And I absolutely love these clip-ins from Hair So Chic. Okay, I did get these gifted to me last year by the owner, so she doesn't know that I'm making content with these clip-ins. This is a genuine review. So I have mine separated by inches and section. I have it on my hair, so I do have 18 and 20 inches here, and that's just how I keep them organized. So I did have to blow dry and flat iron my hair, which I do very rarely. I limit my heat use like this to about once a month if I choose to. So my hair is blow dried right here on a very low setting, and I did receive my trim, so my hair is a little bit more shorter than normal. And I am gonna run a light flat iron through my hair because we are going to be using quite a bit of heat, so I don't want to put too much heat on my hair. So the flat iron and blow dry process was on a very low setting. So like I said before, I do have two bundles of clip-ins. I have the 18 inches and the 20 inches, and I do tend to keep them organized when I'm not using them, so I know where to place them when it's time to wear them again. And the texture of this, I believe, is the Brazilian texture, and the color matches really well with my hair, and the clips are really nice and secure. I've been wearing these for quite a while now, so I have a real deal review for you guys. I am going to use my BayBliss curling iron and a small tooth comb. All the specs as far as the size of the curling iron I use will be down in the description. So in order to install these clip-ins so they can look bomb, I have a specific way I like to install mine, by sections of course. So I section off the front half of my hair like this and just kind of tuck the front half away, and then I part my hair in very small sections because the two bundles of clip-ins have quite a bit of clip-ins in them, and I want to make sure I fit every single clip-in in. So I'm going to start off with the 20-inch clip-ins. Okay, so I tend to use the 20 inches around the lower half of my head and then work my way up to the 18 inches so it has like a nice natural layer look. So I love my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray, you guys. It has a really nice soft flexible hold that won't weigh the hair down. So I am just gonna curl the hair going away from my face on each side. So you don't want them to look like bumpkiny. You want it to look very effortless, very beautiful. And so that is how that side curled away from my face. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side away from my face. So I like to curl the clip-ins as I install them into my hair. It just makes things a lot easier for me. So boom, there you have it. So you kind of want to have a ringlet curl for this style. You could use a curling wand. You can use a flat iron to curl your hair like this. Just, whatever's easier for you. So I'm going to move on to the next section of hair. Again, starting with the 20 inches and then working my way up to 18 inches. So I really love how this hair blends. It blends really well with my natural hair because my natural hair is dark anyway. So I was really pleasantly surprised that this was an effortless match and blend. And the hair is really easy to curl as well, and it does hold an amazing curl. I wore these out and they're just so pretty and very natural looking. That's what I love most about these clip-ins. They're very natural looking. And so the clip-ins today, they are in need of a wash, but even with them being a little bit dirty, they still perform really well in my opinion. So what I do is when I curl them, I like to kind of like do a pig curl and wrap them around each other. So this piece is the 18 inch. So as I get higher up on my hair, I'd go for the shorter pieces. And so they're really comfortable in my hair. They don't feel really heavy and they don't snag or weigh down on my hair. That's really important for me, being that I am on a hair journey for healthy hair. So you don't want anything that's gonna snag and pull at your hair. They're very comfortable. And I can't even tell where my hair ends and where the clip-ins begin. They're just really nice. This is a really good quality clip-in set, and I'm not just saying this because for any reason. I'm not being paid to post this video. I wasn't asked to make this video. I genuinely love these clip-ins, y'all, and I wanted to share. So I'm gonna continue curling the hair, and as you can see, as I get higher up on my hair, it kind of creates a natural layer. So that's why I definitely see why it's recommended to get two different lengths within your clip-in bundles, because it just gives it a really nice natural look and layered look for that kind of curled look that you want. Because I got a few questions on my Instagram about, well, how do I get the sides to do, you know, that thing? So I'm going to show you guys right now. So for the sides, you need to part your hair kind of like at a diagonal, especially if you don't really have heavy layers in your natural hair. So parting this in a diagonal and installing the 20-inch first. So you install the longer inches first towards the bottom of the hair and install it at an angle. I tend to curl my hair like this anyway, but the parting, you know, really makes a difference with how the curls fall, especially in the front. So we're going to do the same thing. Of course, install the clip-in, apply some hairspray, and then curl the hair. Now, when I get to the front, I tend to start the curl lower with the longer pieces. And so you can see I curl this curl away from my face because you want that kind of like, I guess would you say like a Farrah Fawcett kind of like away fan look. So again, part it at a diagonal, hairspray, curl it. I should have put that little clamp thing down. Make sure you don't burn yourself from that little handle thing on your curling iron. Okay, so again, I curled it away from my face, and I'm kind of just wrapping the hair around itself just so it can maintain, you know, the shape. So again, I'm parting it at a diagonal, and my temple area has always been quite thin, and so these clip-ins really just add that extra volume that I need, because with my natural hair, I have never been able to hold a curl with my hair without clip-ins. So these clip-ins really give me the look that I want when I want my hair curled. So again, as I get further up to the top, I use the shorter pieces. And as you can see, it's really a nice natural look. And it allows me to have that kind of like bombshell curl look with extra volume. So again, I curl the hair away from my face. And so when I get towards the top, I tend to like place the hair where I want it to go, so it kind of cools in that area, and spray it in that area as well, so it can kind of like hold its placement. So of course, this piece will not have a clip-in because we want to cover the tracks. So you want to make sure when you are applying the clip-ins towards the front of your hair, you place them far enough back so that the track won't show towards the top of the hair. So then I'm just going to cover any tracks that you may see. And again, do the same thing on the other side. Part it at a diagonal. So the parting kind of goes up on your hair. So it kind of creates that kind of layered look, and so that the curls will fall a specific way. So again, once we get to the top, I'm curling everything away from my face on the other side. And then just kind of maneuver and place the side pieces how you want them to fall. And then I get to my real hair, and I'm gonna lightly curl my real hair. I don't keep the curling iron resting on my hair for very long, just for a few seconds. And so I also love this hairspray too, because it adds amazing shine to my hair too, without giving it that crunchy feel. So you don't want to use a hairspray that gives you that spritzy, crunchy look, because you want this to be really soft. So now that I'm all done, and the curls have actually sat in my hair for about 20 minutes before I ran my fingers through it to kind of loosen the curl, because I was finishing my makeup. So I actually prefer kind of like a more loose, relaxed look with these curls, like really effortless. I don't like that crunchy curl look. So this is the results I got after letting them cool and rest for 20 minutes and then run my fingers through it, and it's just really pretty. Gorgeous. Like, I don't even know where my hair is. where does my hair start and the clip-ins begin? I don't know. It's just beautiful. I love how natural these clip-ins look. I think this hairstyle will be perfect for any occasion when you want to add a little va-va-voom to your look. So yeah, that is about it, you guys. Don't have any complaints, haven't received any shedding or anything as far as tangling with these clip-ins. So this was my authentic review. They don't know I'm making this video. I just decided to do it for you guys because I love these clip-ins. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to check out more clip-in install videos from me, they are right here for you to check out. And I'll see you guys later.